Greetings from the Bain Business Minute. We begin with RealTime Demand, which we measure as the ratio of active single-family listings to pending listings in 5 broad sample markets served by CB Bain. In what is now a familiar weekly pattern, the notable improvement in demand seen last week gave way to higher inventory and lower pending numbers, marking the first across-the-board decline in demand since early May. Despite a slight drop this week, the Seattle sample market continues to lead the pack, with market demand figures holding steady over the last 6 weeks. In industry news, more mixed messaging this week as real estate market indicators continued their point-counterpoint interaction. Examples of this included local home sale numbers that have remained steady, if unspectacular, while inventory continues to rise, favoring buyers at the negotiating table for the first time in years. At the same time, the supplies of rentals in Seattle area are at their lowest levels in 3 decades, and rents are increasing. In a nod to the ever-growing population of Washington, the number of new driver's licenses has doubled over this time last year, again validating the desirability and popularity of our region. Consumer confidence is down, but retail sales are up. Local unemployment edged upward, but is still among the lowest in the nation. Local commercial building is booming, but residential building has slowed tremendously. To characterize these conflicting realities as confusing is an understatement at best. So the Bain Business Minute editorial staff suggests that it's time to consider a statistical timeout. For most people, home buying is as much about emotion as anything else. So perhaps the germane questions surrounding buying should now include how one feels about owning a home, and whether one has the faith that our cities, towns, and neighborhoods will remain a highly desirable place to live in the future. A home should never be looked at as a winning lottery ticket, but these positive emotional considerations about the prospects for the future of housing in Western Washington might help reconcile the investment potential for home ownership with the tremendous personal benefit of having your own great living space. As always, we appreciate the support of our partnered real estate services, and until next week, thanks for clicking.